Action.
Yeah, man. Later. All you them for finding a shallow grave somewhere, you know. You take murder money.
Take man money, what
Yeah,
take?
murder money.
Action.
Yeah, man. Later. All you them for finding a shallow grave, you know. Somewhere. You take bad man money and can't get no results. Go pay you a visit, man. That get fucked up.
Action. Action.
Is what happened.
After this girl, tell me say she a go to album and whatever. Hold on.
A music video.
Action.
Is what happened.
Alright. After this girl tell me say she have studio work. A country me say her do video, you know. Country.
Action.
Is what happened.
Alright. This girl tell me say a studio work she have. Then when we go up on the Instagram a while ago. Video show that. Fuck.
Something alright?
Action.
Then she tell me say a studio she there.
We are country.
A few moments later.
Action.
Then she tell me say we a studio. Where the bumbo clock.
Something alright, yeah.
The phone is in there.
Action.
Maybe she just never want you worry.
Tony, if you and Kareem go so and decide say yo, you have to stop the certain things, Zane, and then you go behind him back and do the same thing where you promise say you have to stop do. You can pre him, if him pre you.
God have mercy upon us.
Action.
But if him asks me,
Action.
But if you tell him a lie,
what you expect him for just
yeah.
Oh hell no!
Action.
You may say. Me no remember what me say.
Action.
But sacrifice half of me.
A few minutes later.
Action.
But you have to balance things. She have to balance things. Come.
Action.
What line guys?
Yeah. Okay. Action.
Yeah, that my God.
Action.
Me did tell you some me can't manage a lifestyle anymore, no. Not so good.
Don't worry.
Oh my God!
Action.
Radcliffe, 3 times in a 6.
12 seconds later.
Action.
Radcliffe, 6 times in a 3 years. Remember?
No. Nope.
Action.
Okay, Miss Long-Standing Community Member, I'm a contractor, and I'm here.
Action.
Because the original owner.
Action.
Well, either way, me not care. No, that's not it. It is maybe.
Something alright.
Action.
And sometimes are the things when them do. Come again. That's God.
Action.
I say this to you. If you want to know something about a person, them are the best person to ask. Say it again. Come again.
Okay. Action.
You're still curious about what me do around here, so though? Ah, Ross, I forget the line.
No. Nope. No, sir.
Action.
Oh, hell no.
Action.
Sarcasm that fit you. And yes.
God have mercy upon us.
Action.
We're still very close. But I don't know. I don't know every move.
Hey, what happened?
Fatality.